parade and they are unarmed right now. As you can see, the color is red and it symbolizes fire in their spirit and playing in this game. Now, the translator even told me earlier that starting on their first game, a number of Filipino fans have really shown support to the team. That really adds up to the morale of the team and the more that they wanted to really keep coming back here in the Philippines. Meanwhile, it's really pride and hard work for the Philippine Army, as Coach Rico reminded the girls earlier before they started this match the important things that spikers must step up, they should minimize their unwanted errors and be more aggressive when it comes to blocking. Back to you guys.
All right, thank you, Rina. And so far, Team Philippines is getting the job done. And after that, Rachel Andaki said, I saw her dad, her father, like standing up and jumping, jogging in place, raising his arms, cheering the squad.
Oh, look at that. Everything is just really going well for the Philippine Army. And, you know, at this point, they are really challenging the blockers of the Vietnam's Petro team. Look at that.
Look at that. Joan Bunag, knowing na medyo alanganin yung set, gitna sa net.
Pinalabas niya yung ball.
Swipe it to the outside, get the last touch from Vietnam. And there she got the point. Oh, ganda. But Dean Balse was there.
Oh, and back is almost getting a point.
Kita mo yung Rachel, gustong idikdik talaga eh, no?
Oh, Bunag. Looking for a touch, but there wasn't any. It was a clean one for Vietnam.
Almost hitting the coach of Viets of Pedro, Diva. And the Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the V-League Southeast Asian Club Invitational Tourney. More intense rallies, more thrills. The Mikasa MVA 300. A back row attack.
Good defense there by Torres.
And Salak against Katya. Katya winning that joust, getting the block. And you see, even if Nastia is in the back row, sa kanya binibigay yung set, ano? Because yung opensa, tingin nila mas malaking porsyento if they go to these two Russian players. Nice push from Rachel. Again, getting the point.
And Rachel, you see, is just, being smart about, getting the point. Dito hinahanap lang niya talaga kung nasa ng butas ng Vietnam.
Exactly. And that push from Rachel gives Team Philippines a 6-point lead, 11-5. Remember, when these two teams met, it was a straight set win, and for Viets of Petro. Yun. Oh!
Carolino tried to reach for it, pero itong si Bunag actually pumupwesto na sa likod.
Actually, kay Bunag na yun eh.
Oo eh. Yan ang importante rin talaga mag-communicate inside the court para alam nyo kung sinong kukuha.
A change or sub. Trang is coming in for Pham. So we've got a new setter for Viets of Petro. Nice defense from Mayet. That's too close. Rachel again.
She knew that she was late. There were two blockers in front of her. What best way to get a point? Hawiin mo sa kamay ng blockers.
Maganda yung yung point ni Rachel. No? That really blends the athletic ability together with the high volleyball IQ and the experience, yung ganong klaseng mga plays. Making something out of nothing already, no? Yung play there for Rachel. Great play for Rachel.
That's right. And of course, outside hitter yan, so hindi ka rin pwedeng mamili ng set.
Katya getting a running spike going, getting a point. Grabe, taas nung shoulder. Talagang kapantay na nung nung net pag mag-running. Reyes.
Salak.
Nastia getting one past Tina Salak. That's a danger if you're Tina Salak. You always have that option to go for the dump, pero syempre priority pa.
The other Carolino, Michelle, itong dalawang magkapatid na so far 67% success success when it comes to their attack. So that's both for
Wow.
Mayet and Michelle Carolina.
Wow, those are high numbers, huh? 13-8. Tina Salak with the serve. Nice serve. See? Kargahan ng serve. I think that's the number one.
The set was too low. It didn't even clear the net.
And it was well read. Nastia was all over the place. So you gotta get Nastia up, but make sure you give it to someone else so that there's a smaller blocker in front of that outside hitter.
Seemed like a poor throw for Katia. Parang hinabol niya yung bola.
Gigil eh. Kita mo, gusto kagad na i-convert into a point. 14-9, still a 5-point lead. Ging Balse.
Another excellent block. Bunag getting a good read of the Vietnamese attackers. Look at that, yung hawi ng kamay.
Alright, let's see if they go to Nastia. She's now a front row player. Ayan, sa kanya nga inangat. Outside.
Good call made by Michelle.
16-9. The Philippine Army up by a huge 7-point margin. We'll be right back.